Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to add music to Shorts on your PC. Let's get started. First, open YouTube Studio in your web browser and ensure you're logged into your account. On the left-hand side, click on Content. You'll now be in the YouTube content window. Click on the Shorts filter at the top of the window. This will display all the shorts you've uploaded and scheduled. Find the video to which you want to add music and hover your cursor over it. Click the Edit button, which looks like a pencil icon, just below the video. Go to the Editor tab on the left side of the screen. On the editing page, click on Audio. Find the music you want to add to your video and click the Add button. After adding the music, click the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully added music to your short. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.